Hey everybody, Samuel Singer here, founder and executive director of Wyoming Stargazing, and welcome to Bending Astronomy. Every episode, we're going to share with you, a mind-bending fact about astronomy. And we're going to start with light. If we're going to explore the cosmos, we really have to start learning about light. What we commonly refer to as visible light is just one part of a broad spectrum of radiation called the electromagnetic spectrum. And even though visible light is the part of the electromagnetic spectrum that accounts for a large part of how we perceive reality, our eyes are only sensitive to that part of the spectrum, visible light only accounts for about 0.0035% of the entire spectrum. So that means there's a whole lot of the universe out there and a lot more that meets the eye. So the entire electromagnetic spectrum includes several other forms of radiation that you've probably heard of before. It includes gamma radiation, X-rays, rays is short for radiation, ultraviolet radiation, visible light. We typically don't use the word radiation when we're talking about visible light, but it's exactly the same stuff. Infrared radiation, microwave radiation, and radio waves. We typically don't use the word radiation to talk about radio waves either, but again, same thing as the other forms of electromagnetic radiation. And to really understand what electromagnetic radiation is, we have to get into a bit of physics. And rather than do that here, I'm going to direct you to a video online that Phil Plait does. It's part of his Crash Course Astronomy course, and it's fantastic, and I'll put the link here so you can check it out. And he'll tell you everything you need to know to understand what electromagnetic radiation really is. Now, once you've got that, tomorrow we're going to jump in a bit deeper into the experiments done with light and how they reveal a truly bizarre nature of reality. So until then, be well, and see you tomorrow.